So, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. If you're with me, I want you to say good morning in the comment section. If you're with me, type good morning in the comment section. If you're with me, type good morning in the comment section. If you're with me, type good morning in the comment section. James, I see you. A great people. Jehovah boy, my man, active. I greet you. I greet you all. Let's Joy, I see you too. I greet you. Let's share the link on our status. Let's share the let's share the let's share the live to our friends and family both far and near. Let's share it. Obina my man. Obina my man. Let's share the live. You all are welcome to today's section. You all are welcome to today's section. You all are welcome. You're welcome. Let's quickly I have 2 more minutes and I'm going to start. Let's wait for others to join. Just wait for others to join. Man, how have the market been treating you? Comment section, you can tell me exactly how the market has been treating you in the comment section. What has been your challenge so far, both the crypto market and the forex market? Um, it's been a whole lot of drama, but here we are again, doing what we know how to do best. Here we are again, doing what we know how to do best. Here we are again, doing what we know how to do best. But the goal is that no matter how the market tries to do whatever it wants to do, we need to figure out a way to make money in the market. We need to figure out a way to make money in the market, regardless of what the market is trying to do. So in the next 1 minute, we are going to start today's section. I'm going to open your eyes to a whole lot of things. Going to open your eyes to a whole lot of things. I don't chop that river tire. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, it went to 12 and it's at 16 actually. Only if you guys can be following me, you're going to make a whole lot of money. So let's proceed now to this class. So in our last class, I'm going to make today's class very explanatory via chat. You understand? So I'm going to use the chat to explain everything that was going on in the market. Remember when I gave analysis on BTC? I don't know if you guys can remember. I said so far, looking at the that Bitcoin is yet to give us a full bullish sign, that it is still very bearish. You understand? Which I opened the I showed you all clearly. So I will show you like what it means. You know what it means to come here every day, you know, like analyze the market and so let me show you something. So I analyzed BTC on the other day. Today I'll just do full analysis today so that people can understand what is really going on. You understand? You know, I told you that the market is not really like Bitcoin market. Let me start with Bitcoin market. I told you Bitcoin market has not really like given us a go ahead that that a pump is coming. And this was it. I went to daily time frame and I saw that look at what was going on in daily time frame. Already my zone master is already activated on my trading view already. You understand? Now when I looked at what is going on here, I saw that look at the market is bearish and nothing is happening in the market. The market has not really given us that there's a pump coming soon. But I was like, okay, let us look at the lower time frame. And I went to the 1 hour because that is the lowest I can go. I don't use lower than 1 hour. You hardly see me use 15 minutes time frame. I use 1 hour and basically most especially 4 hour. So what I did was that okay, I said what the market has been doing lately that it dumps straight down to 75 to go to 78, 75 go to 78. So with the way the market was going yesterday, I was like, okay, the only risk I can even take on any coin for now should be on BTC because that's the only coin I trust. Because BTC controls the crypto market. I know if it dumps the way if it tries to dump, the way all other markets will dump will be crazy. Now, looking at what Zone Master showed me that 75K is the current support zone that is holding, which we can see clearly here. Do you understand? 75K, 74K is the current support zone that has been holding. I was like, okay, if that is the case, why can't I just follow the trend? Look for quick, I call it quick scalp from 75 to 78, just like Zone Master has shown us. You understand? Which, if you look here, so yesterday, a dump now happened in the market. I swear that is one of the biggest liquidity dump I've seen in a very long time. So expecting Bitcoin just come to 75 and pump to probably 78. And guess what? I was never intending to wait for 80K. With what's going on in the market, I'm not waiting for 80K to come. I was like, okay, according to what I dropped in my signal group, I said my VIP scenario, I said they should take profit at 40% above. That is, I was expecting Bitcoin to go above from 75, just give me to 76K above, and I'm good to go. I'm okay. I don't have big eyes. 40% to 50% profit is okay for me. And guess what? Guess what, family? Bitcoin tapped the 75K zone, now went to grab serious liquidity. Look at the profit we made yesterday. You can see. Let me increase. Let me increase. You can see massive. This is like almost 50% profit on Bitcoin made yesterday from my VIP signal group. Do you understand? Look at it here. Just as we predicted. Do you understand? So let me tell you one drama that happened yesterday and why I told you that sometimes the market, you have to work on your stop loss. Put your stop loss in such a way that the market actually has time to do what it has to do. Good. Let me show you something that happened yesterday. Now, you can see Bitcoin went as low as tapping 73, 72K. Pa! Then went back up. Now, this is what they call stop hunting. The market trying to hit your stop loss before it goes your way. That's what they call stop hunt. Imagine how many people that put their stop loss around there and were kicked out. Trust me, even I was actually very close. To be honest, according to my call that I dropped yesterday on my signal group, the stop loss was at 72,850. Bitcoin went down to tap. Bitcoin went down to tap 72,880. Very close to hitting my stop loss, but you can see a very sharp rejection here. This rejection shows that Bitcoin just wanted to rush and go and tap orders here before going up, and immediately it tapped. It went straight up from almost minus 60% to plus 50% profit. You see, sometimes why I do this, why I see why I extend my stop loss a little bit is that I want to give the market space for things like this, like things like liquidity grab, things like stop hunting, things like market needing time to pick orders that are below my own entry before it goes my way. Now, look at this example of sweet liquidity grab, example of stop hunt, and example of sweet rejection. And I was already straight to massive profit. So this is exactly how you understand liquidity and why you need to work on your stop loss. Now, if you are panicking after seeing your stop loss, then you are doing one thing wrong. I know what you are doing wrong is either you have over leverage, or either you have used a very huge lot size. So in as much if you see that you have adjusted your stop loss in such a way that the loss is big, just reduce your lot size. If you are a forex trader, reduce your lot size. In forex, you just need like a very small move to make a whole lot of money, because a little move in forex, any forex player, gives you a lot of money. You understand? So just reduce your lot size. You don't have to be greedy. You are going to trade for 365 days. Why the hell do you choose to use all your money on one trade and just want to be a loser? Today I will still trade, next month I will still trade. Why should I keep myself over one trade? So this is exactly what I've been teaching you guys about liquidity grab, stop hunting, and why market sometimes we want to pick orders before it goes, and rejection. All on one chart yesterday. That's why I like, putting my stop loss and reducing my leverage or my margin or my loss side, so that the market can do its drama and let me enjoy. You understand what I'm saying now? If we are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. If you are good to go, type good to go in the comment section. There's no how the dip will wipe all your capital. Let's assume now you have $100 portfolio and you're using $20, $10 per trade. It's okay to risk $5 as a loss or $6 as a loss. That $6 will give you a lot of time to stay in the market for the market to do your thing. Then if it goes your way, you see your $50, 50% or 20%. It's okay. Now somebody asked me, "Hey Pastor, do I always have to wait for TP1?" Somebody asked me is that, do they always have to wait for TP1 or 100% profit? Please, the market never promised you 100% profit. Guy, you all are underestimating the power of compounding profit. You all are underestimating the power of compounding profit. You are underestimating the power of compounding profit. As a trader, I expect you to be able to like know the amount you want to profit per trade, regardless of the profit target you are seeing everywhere. Regardless of the profit target you are seeing everywhere, I expect you to know how much you want to risk per trade. You don't have to wait for 100% profit. 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 If you continue waiting for the 100% profit, 90% of times you are trading, the market will go your way and all of a sudden reverse and go back to your entry or stop loss. You start crying out, oh, the market is against you. You are clearly at 20 to 30 to 50% profit. You cannot take profit or you cannot lock profit. You're waiting for 100%. The market reverses and knock and hit your stop loss. You blame the market. You don't even know what you're doing. Compound your profit with your small $10, $2, $3, $4, 1K dollars, 2K dollars you're seeing and close. If market reverse, enter again. Is it as difficult as that? Is it as difficult as that? They will now say, oh, your strategy is not working. Me that used to put 40 to 40%, 30% profit. Think I'm not wise. Think I don't like 100%. If the market gives me 100%, I will take with my full chest. That days I leave the market with 30% profit. That days I leave the market with 20% profit. That days I leave the market with 1000% profit. Type in the comment section. Hmm. Type in the comment section. Hmm. Type in the comment section. Wisdom. Let me bust your head. Let me bust your head. I've been a trade that was in 1500% profit. Family, I left that trade with 100% profit. Yes, I was greedy, to be honest. I was like, in fact, is this trade that is going to make me a billionaire? When I see reverse our mind day, it's me that close myself. Many of you are not bad traders. Many of you are not bad traders. The only part that's taking profit. Taking profit at some certain levels like 30 40% is not that you are afraid. You're not afraid. You are disciplined. You're not afraid. You are disciplined. I've been seeing DMs in my DMs of people saying, "Okay, Pastor, I tried to wait for it to come to take profit one. My take profit one. Why? And if I calculate your take profit one, your take profit one is 500% to 300%. Guy, how you doing of the market? You didn't even step out of your house. You're making profit. They are waiting for 500%. The market promise you a straight line. Take your 30 40%. Take this 30 40% five times. Is that not almost 500% profit or 300% profit? But you learn the hard way. Now, is it on Monday? I did analysis on a coin, on a forex pair. Actually, I'm going to share my screen now. I did analysis on the GBP, JPY on a forex pair. Look at it here. So this one, I share this coin live here on Monday. I even share this entry here on Monday. That I even told you that initially I took this trade from here. First of all, this is where Zone Master first gave me the first entry. From here, the market pumped to somewhere here, and I took from 209. It pumped to first. I even checked before I even took this trade. I checked the daily time frame. I saw that daily time frame was bullish, so I said to look for long on my 4. I know I told you before I take an entry on my 1 hour. It's only when I don't see entry on 4 hour time frame that's when I'll take my entry on 1 hour time frame. So if I saw that daily, before I conclude market is bullish, I must check both my daily time frame to see the direction market. And the market was printing bullish. I can see how bullish this coin is. I said, okay, fine. Let me see if you can see the green candle. Let me see if I can get an entry on the 4 hour. And my Zone Master already showed me. As of that, those like as early this like Monday, Sunday, or I've forgotten, this coin was here. I took an entry from this place, which Zone Master gave me an entry here immediately based on that current market structure. Zone Master gave me an entry here, and from here, the coin pumped to somewhere around here. Now, when the coin pumped somewhere around here, it started consolidating. consolidating, consolidating. Me, I've taken profit. Then I came live. You see, was it on Monday, just some days ago, and I told that this entry is valid. Let's see what happens from here. If you take your entry from here, let's expect a pump. Same structure, you can see this is the story behind this structure. I can see that as this coin tap this place, it went straight up. Initially this entry here was take profit one on Zomaster, and this place was take profit two, but when the structure change, the coin was printing massive bullish. Here become another new entry. E can go from going straight to take profit one for this new structure, but normally it was take profit two. So you can see exactly how you need to understand. And you see, this is where the clarity comes in. This is not a mistake. This is not a guesswork. If you look clearly, you already know from here that this is a very strong demand zone, that each time the market comes to this zone, you see sharp rejections. Look at sharp rejections to show that this zone below is a very strong demand zone. And that is why Zomaster personally marked it out for you. Look at it green, that this is a very strong, and this was where I got my initial entry from. Then after that, it pumped, broke above, and when it broke above, it started maintaining this zone. And at the time maintaining that zone, when it started maintaining that zone, it now went straight up. That's why I said if you are a trader, if there is no story behind, so if you are a trader, you need to have a story. There must be a story behind every trade you take. There must be a story behind every trade you take. So if I ask you, what is your story? Like me now, I can just easily come here and say, oh, this is my story behind this trade. That initially, because trading is about repetition, what has happened before that you think can happen again? Okay, I can now come to this coin and say, okay, this is it. Initially, this coin has been hitting this zone, demand zones, back to back, and never broke it, and it is back here. So that goes to that this place is strong. I can see that there's a rejection candle each time it comes here and goes back, and it goes back up. So this makes, so now you can see that even to a 2 year or 5 year old boy, if you tell him, say this is the actor don't want to fall. This is it. And that is the clarity I'm talking about in the market that you need. Stop trading blindly. Trade in a way that if you know the market goes against you, you'll still be happy because you know you lost by doing the right thing. It's not your fault because the market has the final say. But 90% or 80% of times you will do the right thing, you'll be profitable. And this is the story behind my trade. That's why I said no story, no trade. No story, no trade. No structure, no trade. No story, no trade. That is why I always sing it. You get, and I stick to the 4 hour because it's the 4 hour time frame and the daily that can actually give you that kind of story you are looking for. The 15 minutes time frame is full of noise, jaga jaga noise. But just look at how this look. I didn't even just one, two, three lines. I didn't start drawing. I didn't come here and do like this, sha, or come and do like this again, sha. Then I said, okay, I still come and now come and do like this again. You didn't see, sha. You didn't see me come and do like this. Okay, imbalance, balance, imbalance, again, imbalance. No, I'm not trying to condemn anybody's strategy. There will be a stage in your life as a trader that one or two horizontal line can predict your market movement. You didn't see me draw, do triangle, come here, come and do like this again. E, ja, again. No, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Just two lines will tell you exactly what you are doing in the market. And that's why I like this Zoma Master, to be honest. It might not, it might, yes, There will be good days and there will be bad days, but the fact that it is it I have something that I can actually confidently look upon. You understand? Look at just one, two, and all. It just shows everything clear. You can't see me entering at the middle of all these places. Never. Never. If I want to enter this coin again, it's like the coin needs to do the same thing. The coin needs to do the same repetition it has been doing. You know, from here back here, it must do the same repetition that doing. If I want to short this coin now, it must do the same thing. But I will not just short blindly. I will short with confirmation first. Let it react. I want to see the reaction first before I proceed. From here back here. Now it's there again. You can say I'm getting the story, like it's just so clear. But this coin, based on daily time frame, is too bullish to even short for now. If you look at the daily, you see that the coin is too bullish to short. Look at, though on daily, see, look at this green candle. It's too bullish short, but I cannot make. I need something like a rejection candle. I need this kind of rejection here. Rejection. See one on the daily, oh, short one, two. So the coin is currently facing a major resistance. But should we short now? No, we need to confirm a rejection. You can look at the way I'm reading. Look at the way I'm reading the market as if I'm just reading a book. Because the stage, because I decided to keep it simple. I'm not overthinking it. Do you get? I'm not overthinking it. I'm not overthinking it. I'm not overthinking it. And I am using the higher time frame. So everything just clear. Type E clear in the comment section. Type E clear. Everything clear. E clear in the comment section. I like coins that move with structure like this. This coin was slow, but the movement, like gold is very volatile. So gold is as entering, do what you have to do and leave. But this coin for the past few days have been going slow. There's some coin that you can leave your money on and let it do its part, slow and steady. This is the kind of coins they call slow and steady. You get? Write it clear in the comment section. You understand? E clear. E clear abi no clear? Okay. E clear in the comment section. Downward slow. So you see how and my DM is open to you. And I said, okay. If you have setups like this, sweet ones, don't come and show me jaga setup. Oh. Sweet setup with not plenty line. Oh. No, I don't need your plenty lines. Just sweet setup like this. Just show me. Just show me. Show me. Sweet setup. Show me sweet setup. Show me sweet setup and we'll share ideas together. We'll share ideas together. So you can see. You can see. So I can't really just short this coin from here. Based though, if I look at the structure, this is a clear example of even on the daily, you can see that this is where it has been on the daily. Look at first time it got to this same position daily, it dumped. Second time it got to this same structural position on daily, it dumped. We are there. But I cannot conclude yet. I need a rejection candle like this. Like just show me a sign that I cannot short this coin my full chest. But for now, what we have profited on this coin is the longs. We have profited from the long of this coin. I showed you how I long the first time and the second time, and this is exactly how to trade. You first of all check from daily time frame. Is it bearish or bullish? Then if you cannot see and enter your 4 hour, you cannot go to the 1 hour. See, it's me that will teach you how to use. In fact, operation higher time frame. Type higher time frame. HTF in the comment section. HTF. HTF is me that will push that higher time frame in your head. Leave 15 minutes noise alone. Let the retailers be playing with yourself. Let us see what the big boys are doing. HTF in the comment section. So if you want your trading to look like this, if you want to get the Zomaster AI indicator, you can send me a DM. You understand? You can send me a DM. You can send me a DM. I'll teach you or I'll give you access to it. You understand? I'll give you access to it. When I give you access to it, you can come and be seeing how I'm making use of it live. I would never see anywhere here at Crypto Pastor use lower time frame. It's not me. Oh. I hardly use lower time frame. I stick to my higher time frame. I don't want the only difference between the lower higher time frame is just that higher time frame will make your trading look very boring. Like in a week, you can see yourself taking like probably like you can see yourself taking like 4 or 5 trades in a week, you know, 4 or 5 trades in a week. Then maybe somebody's there taking 30. Then maybe after losing like seven, win one, you now come and show you one more. And then if you take this trade now, they show you now, you no gree take this trade. If you take them now, after you now, probably you just took your 1 or 2 trades and you're massively profitable. Imagine buying from here, long into this position. That mean how much loss size you would have made by now. Hmm? I will force you to stick to the higher time frame. I will force you to always take profit. I will force you to learn how to use compounding profit. You must be a good trader. You must learn how to be a good trader. You must learn how to be a good trader. You must learn how to be a very good and profitable trader. Look at structure now. Somebody type structure. See structure. Structure. Somebody type structure in the comment section. 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 Yes, that's a good movement too. So I told someone that crypto or forex, none of them is better than any of them. Do you understand? None of them is better than any of them. None of them is better than any of them. And I've been profitable on crypto. I'm more profitable on forex. See, let me tell you the truth. The truth here is that if you are good, you are good. And if you know what you are doing, you know what you're doing. If you like run to crypto, if you don't have a structure, if you don't have a plan, if you don't have a strategy, you will get burnt. You will get burnt. If you don't have a plan, if you don't have a strategy, you will get burnt. If you like go back to forest, if you the same mentality use and go there, fire will still burn you. Type fire in the comment section. Fire will still burn you. So a trader that knows what he's doing, that has a plan, that has a strategy, no matter where he finds himself, be it crypto, be it forex, he will be profitable. It's not still the same profit that is everywhere. It's not still the same stop loss. It's not the same entry. It's not the same chart we're looking at. Somebody should calm down and look for what works for you and grow with it. I've been using this strategy for like I know about many strategies, SMC, ICT, smart money contract, this one, that one. But I'm a trader that deals with demand and supply, support and resistance strictly. And I didn't, after everything I knew, Boliga banks, moving average, all those things, I didn't use them. I realized that this is what works for me. So what I did was that I now had to now grow with it. I didn't leave it because of one or two losses. No, I decided to grow with it. And that's how you should think. So if you have any question, you can ask me now. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have any question, you can ask me. You can ask me if you have any question. If you have any question, you can ask me. Ask me. And if you have any question concerning Zone Master, you can come to my DM. My DM is always very open. This is exactly what Zone Master can do for you. Gives you sweet entries, stop loss, and take profit. If I was taking this trade, let me even bust your head now. To be honest, family, I didn't wait for this coin. In fact, this was initially take profit too. This is where I took my profit from. Let me bust your head, family. This is where I took profit from. This was where I didn't wait for that. I'm looking for take profit one. This move from here, you know how forex is. This move from year to year, I don't just say how much I made, but this move from year to year was okay for me. I did not wait for take profit one. I was not greedy. I just took this stuff from year to year was okay for me. Just fine. That's fine. Profit na profit. Type in the comment section. Profit na profit. Profit na profit. Don't worry. This same market you are seeing, don't be surprised by tomorrow now. You can see it back here and I'll still eat it again. Profit na profit. I didn't have to wait for take profit one. What if I agree? Okay, what if you get to take profit one and reverse back to my entry? And that's the market wicked with that this kind of sweet move. Compounding profit is very, very important. Compounding profit is very, very important. It's very, very important. Somebody asked in the comment section, please, what is Zone Master? Okay, let me answer your question. You see this? Let me go to daily now. See this chart? Nothing is here. You see this entry? See this stop loss you're seeing? And see this take profit. This is what Zone Master does for you. It analyzes the market for you, shows you clarity and structure in the market. This is exactly what Zone Master does for you. It tells you when to enter, where to put stop loss, and where to put take profit. That's what Zone Master does for you. For the one that's asking me what Zone Master. Zone Master is an AI trading indicator, a tool, a trading strategy, a trading plan that tells you exactly how to plan your trade, when to enter, when to take profit, and when to put stop loss. So it helps you save the stress of analyzing the market and draw up and down. It just shows you clarity, prevents you from making those emotional damages and mistakes you make, prevents you from the noise in the market, and makes you see the market from another angle and makes you a very profitable trader over time. So this was Zone Master AI indicator does for you. Family in the comment section, everybody type Zone Master in the comment section. Type Zone Master in the comment section. Zone Master AI indicator. Type it in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. Type Zone Master in the comment section. That's why they call it zone. His own work is show you the zone. Zone. Show me the zone. That's the work. His work is to show you the zone in the market. Zone. Zone master indicator. Show you the zone. So I believe you all have really learned a lot from today's class. Joe Alpha. It is subscription based. You can subscribe to it to monthly, 6 month, and lifetime. You can subscribe to it to monthly, 6 months, and lifetime. So it's a subscription based indicator. Every day I come here to show you how to use it perfectly. I have my boys, my fans, my loyalists, people that love me. Shegun, Jehovah, Obinna, Joy, they never miss my class. Crypto Messiah, all of them, we are together. We are enjoying it. So that's it. So if you're interested, just chat me on my DM. Or maybe I should drop my WhatsApp number. You can chat me on. I'll drop my WhatsApp number on the comment section. Chat me on WhatsApp. Because, and you see, because of the master, this week sef with the market is I could not say anything to trade. It's only one. I waited for that is Bitcoin, and that's on crypto. So there's only Bitcoin I've traded, and on Forex this other one. So that's all. So tap me on WhatsApp. Let me call my WhatsApp line 08071696109. Let me call it again. 08071696109. That is my WhatsApp line. You can chat me on WhatsApp. You understand? So thank you all for joining me today. God bless you. We'll see on today's Wednesday. We'll see on Friday, same time. God bless you a whole lot. God bless you a lot. And stay safe and trade safely. Let me even see what Bitcoin is. Let me see what Bitcoin is saying. That Bitcoin is still thinking of going to the on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's see what happens from here. Now, let's see what happens from here. Let's see what happens from here. All right. Thank you once again for joining today's section. God bless you. If you have any questions, any issues about trading, my DM is open to you. If you want to get access to Zone Master AI Trading Indicator, my DM is open to you. If you have issue, you need advice, my DM is open to you. This is the little I can give. You understand? Silver or gold, I don't have. But knowledge, I can give to you to make money. Instead of me to give you money or fish, January I did give away. The giveaway cannot change your life. So instead of me to give you money, I will give you the net to use and fish. You understand? And that's what I'm doing now. Because that's the only time I even, in fact, making money sef doesn't really make me happy. It's when I see somebody making money through me, that's when I feel fulfilled. Please, I want you all to make me feel fulfilled. If you to subscribe to my Zone Master, subscribe. Use it. Let us be analyzing market. Let me feel fulfilled. I have money. I am big, I know. According to Bella, I am big, I know. I know I am big, I know I have money, but I want to feel fulfilled. My fulfillment is seeing you people happy coming to me and say, oh, I made money with my tool. That is what I want to see. And God bless you. May we make money. Amen. Take care.